If you're looking for a convenient way to mount your phone or tablet on the top of your dash of your JK Wrangler, today we're going to be installing this Daystar upper dash panel. This Daystar upper dash panel simply installs into all 11 through 18 JK Wranglers. Gives you a nice spot to mount either your tablet or your phone or even a GPS right on top of your dash and give you a nice easy place to view it. You only need to reuse one factory screw and everything that you see here is included with the kit. It'll simply mount your phone or tablet up onto the dash and give you a nice convenient place. Make sure you're headed in the right direction. Now we're going to get it installed on my 2012 JK, see how it turns out. Now we're inside our Jeep and the first step is going to be to remove this plastic tray on the upper dash panel. You can see it just pulls out. Just got to grab on the inside and it'll pull straight out. Unfortunately for me, I've had this dash apart a couple times and I do not have the screw that goes in there. It's a T20 Torx bit to get it removed if you've got the factory one. And once you have that removed, we're going to place our new bracket in there and then reinstall it with a washer. So you're going to take the smaller bracket with your phone mount attached to it, and that's going to go into the very center, and you're going to line it up with that hole. Now you might have to twist it a little bit to gain access. I'm just going to use a standard Phillips head screw that fits in that hole. Once you have it nice and tight, then you're going to grab the included tray right here. You can see it's a little cutoff. That's going to be towards the front of the Jeep. And that's why I have that up like that. So we can get it in there. Push it down nicely. We can get this rotated. And that's it. Your phone mounts perfectly on there. You can adjust this any which way you like. You know, your viewing angle if you want it sideways. And also, just in case you're wondering like I was, how this is going to fit a larger phone, this section where you see a line is spring loaded. So that's how a phone gets mounted right under there. Well, you guys saw just how easy that is to get this Daystar upper dash panel installed into your Jeep JK Wrangler. I honestly really like this kit. It gets your phone up and out of the way onto the dash. It'll also accept like an iPad mini or a smaller tablet if you've got GPS or services on that. It's completely adjustable. You can turn it any which way you like. And with these arms, you can extend them, move them around exactly to what your needs are. Install time's about 15 minutes with one T20 Torx bit. You can get it done. And you can find this as well as many other phone or GPS mounting options right here at cjponyparts.com.